Hello friends, how you doing? So it's a nice beautiful sunny day today. I do not have any details on a car, but I do have a detail on the cover for a Chevy Avalanche. So we're going to do that today because we are going to list those and sell them. So let's get started with the day. We're just going to detail. We're not going to get into all the conversation and the semantics of do this, do that, and all of that. You know how to detail. I know how to detail. You do your way. I do my way. Let's just detail. Let's get going. Today's music is from Henry. His YouTube channel is Searching for the Dream. He doesn't follow any music or anything like that. He just plays the piano from the heart. There's never a title on his music, but I tell you, it's very beautiful to listen to. So today, he gave me permission to add his music to my video. Here we go. friends. So, panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. We cleaned them up and gave them not even a heavy coat of paint, just lightly over them. They were super faded and looked really rough. So the goal was just to give them a little better look. They'll never be perfect again, but they look better. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.